Alrighty guys, so we're starting the day on the restroom today. We're gonna go ahead and get cleaned up and stuff to get ready. This is gonna be a quick video to get you guys up to date on the new build we have here with us. But before we do get started, you already know we gotta welcome our new subscribers, guys. Yes, we have 9 new subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for joining the YouTube family. I appreciate you guys being here. Welcome. Thanks to those 9 new subscribers, guys. We're recently at 634. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, guys. Definitely appreciate every single one of you. Thank you to all of you for being here with me today. And without further ado, we got to get out there. Well, we got to get ready and then get out there and find a bumper and a trunk light. Or a bumper and yeah, I think backlight, trunk light. I don't know. You'll see. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we just went to copart and we have done it again. Look at that. Another one. Hi guys, it's your boy here, Fearless Garage. Look at this beauty. We just picked up a copart today. This car, it looks clean. Let's see how we doing. And this is the result of how much we pay for it. Look at that. Started at $875. All the fees end up at $1488.74. That is crazy. That's all the fees right there, y'all. Jesus. Alright, guys. Guess who just got dropped off? Yes, sir. We is got it home now. Alright, guys. We're out here on the yard. Walking it around. We're looking for a Honda Coupe. And look, a pretty bracelet they gave me at the entrance. Wow. Yes, we're back here at LKQ, but this time we did our research before coming out. Turns out the light we need for Honda is 25 bucks and the bumper should be 69. That's before taxes. However, they said the bumper, it was supposed to be gone, so we're here just for a tail light, I guess. But first we gotta find that car. I forgot what row she told me, so now my dumb butt gonna have to go around everywhere and see where I can find this red Honda. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so after searching for it, we found it, and guess what? It does have a light, but not the one we need. So it has this light and it's even broken right there on the top. We don't need that one anyways. Back bumper is gone, trunk is gone, spoiler is gone. Everything that I wanted to take off this car is gone. The light we need is gone, and I knew the bumper was gone, but the light was at least here. They said, I guess they got the wrong side. Yeah, that sucks. Well, I guess that's the only coupe they have on this freaking whole junkyard. I'll have to start calling other junkyards and see if we can get some other parts, or call our buddy at the junkyard that we know, and see if to let us know when one comes in, because right now they don't have any coupes either. Man, probably gonna have to buy this stuff brand new online. Gee. Alright guys, back at home. I did not want to come empty-handed, so I knew we were missing a piece for this one, and it's this one right here. Hey, does anybody else have a Chevy? The water collects there for some reason. I'm not sure where's it coming in from. Is it from the side or the window? Let me know if you guys have one and having the same issue and fixed it, or still haven't been able to find out. But yeah, looks like a perfect match right there. Shee. I was not gonna come over home empty-handed. I think it goes this way. Yes, it does. All right, let's go ahead and put this in right there, I believe. Right there, right there. All right, I should just be able to click it in. Let's get it. It's super hot out here. I wasn't able to click them in because this ones are facing that way, so I gotta pull them this way with like a screwdriver or something, make them straight like that one, so they can click in easily. All right, there it is, guys. Another piece stored in the truck. Yay. I think we have this one too. We haven't even put it on. I'm gonna start putting this board thing together, man. All I've been doing is driving it because the AC is good on this truck, so yes sir, drive it everywhere. Alright guys, you already know what time it is. With the 177 mile Honda Civic, we're heading off to inspection. Get this thing inspected, get the title, salvage title rebuilt, and get it ready to go. AC working just fine. Yes sir, it is an automatic, you already know. Yes, guys, we end up getting the aftermarket bumper off a junkyard. It's gray. We'll show you here in a little bit. But yeah, car seems to be working just fine. Everything seems to be doing awesome, and it's driving really well here on the freeway. But yeah, other than that, guys, we put the light on. We found a light and a bumper, and yeah, we're heading to inspection. Hopefully, we go through this inspector and see if he doesn't mind the bumper not being the same color as the car. Look, Ma, no feet. Cruise control seems to be working just fine, guys. Yes, sir. Well, that's good news. Everything works just fine. It's just the SRS light that I have on. I have to check that in a little bit. Hopefully they'll let it go through. We'll see. We'll see. Just amazed. Cruising to 70 like nothing. Nice. Shit. Alright, guys. Well, once we get to inspection, I'll let you guys know how it went. Fuga. Vámonos. And for all this trolls out here, I got yourself a speed limit sign right there, guys. There's a speed limit. So get off my ass. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, back on the road. Ready to go. Tag this thing. We do have insurance. We have the signature. Yes, sir. They signed the paper off. We're off to get ourselves some tags so we can drive this thing properly. They give you 30 days here to take the car wherever you want to take it or wherever it has to be. We take that time to inspect it and get tags for it within those 30 days. As long as you have insurance, be safe. They always want you to be safe. So as long as you have insurance, you're good. It's better to drive a car with insurance and no tag than trying to put a tag that doesn't belong to it, because then you will get in trouble for that. But yep, we're gonna go back home. Oh, look how that horse made it up there. Oh no. Alrighty, guys, so we are gonna head out to pick up the car. We had dropped it at the tenting place. They're gonna tint our windows on that Honda because it's super hot out here and the AC is working extra hard and it looks like a fishbowl. So let's go see how they did and see how it looks, the new look. Alrighty, guys, so we're back at the house and here it is. It's officially been window tinted. They told me not to roll them down within 5 days, but it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. There's a good difference of what it was and what it is. So yeah, like the little design there. Yeah, no more fishbowl. Yay. Yes, guys, I think it's officially time to clean the front windshield and take that sticker off of this Honda Civic. But yeah, guys, that was the plan. Out of nowhere, it started pouring rain, so before it gets more messy, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. It's going to be a short one here today, but yeah, there is the Honda Civic that we have now in our little inventory of toys to play with. I think it's a good trade-off for the 2006. I like this body a little bit more. There's the great bumper, and yes, we put the new light in, as you guys can see. And yeah, we passed inspection. We got our tags and everything. We just got to get the rest of the paperwork situated, hit the DMV, and yeah, get our tags pretty much. But yeah, other than that, guys, We have our 30-day tags. We're just waiting on our metal plate once. But yeah, we got it tinted. Everything's good. So we'll come back to it once the weather gets a little nicer. And yeah, start doing a little bit more things. I was thinking of a front lip. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But yes, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I definitely appreciate every single one of you. Thank you very much for watching today. And before this water rains up on me, see you guys on the next one. Adios.